Hi from Laundry Talk. In today's video, I share with you a cute candle activity that I did with my kids. But the most important part of this video is I want to bring awareness to how much supervision and how well you have to supervise your children when they're doing these activities. Arts and crafts is a wonderful thing to do with your kids, but it could be dangerous. And here I share our experience of how things can go from really cute and nice to real dangerous. So watch. Yeah, you like your candle, baby? Yes? Oh yeah. Woohoo! Baby, look. Baby, look at mama. You're happy that you made your candle? Oh yeah. Look at Camila's candle just in time for her 3rd birthday. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is so cute. Look at the layers. Layers. Yeah, baby. Let me see, Daphne. Let me see your candle. Look at that. All right, we gotta burn yours.
Okay, here.
Okay, baby. Look, you want to do it or you want me to do it?
Candle.
All right. Daphne and Camila making candles. Oh yeah, on Christmas Eve. You have to on the top. Push it forward, push it to the front, and as you pull back. Push to the front and pull back. Careful, Camila. Yoo-hoo! Love it. Let me see the box over here.
Take it off.
Oh, okay. Don't take it off? Okay.
Please.
Hmm?
Don't take it off.
Okay, don't take it off. All right. What color do you want now? All right, Camila. All right, Camila, make a wish. Make a wish, Cami. You gonna make a wish? All right, make a wish. She wants to make a wish on a candle. There you go. First you push it, and then you pull it back. Here you see how cute the candle turned out. We had the candle lit up for about half an hour here. Thankfully, my baby had gone to sleep by the time this happened, but it was insane how loud it exploded and the pieces were everywhere, including the floor. As you saw in the video, I was very close to my kids the entire process of making the candles, and I put the candle pretty high so my youngest couldn't reach it. Luckily, like I said in the video, she was not around when it exploded. However, her dad happened to be close by, sitting in a chair, close to the area where it exploded. And even though like he didn't get cut or anything, but the pieces did fall pretty close to his arm, his leg, and like the feet where he was sitting. So just be careful again, and I hope this experience helps other parents, helps you in any way, shape, or form to be careful with the things that you get for your kids and the activities that you guys do with them. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smile and have a wonderful day.